With the higher surface roughness after FNC, is it recommended to deburr the parts after the process? No, it is not recommended. Normally, FNC or financial carburizing is the last operation, or nearly the last operation in manufacturing the brake rotors. Some manufacturers do opt to paint them, and some others may leave them as they are, either nitrocarburized or post-oxidized after the process. However, it is possible to reduce roughness that ensues the process. It is done either by reducing the roughness after machining or during machining, or by tweaking or somehow optimizing the process itself. So the nitriding or nitrocarburizing process can be modified to lower the roughness, but it will always be higher in terms of RA than the initial roughness. Therefore, it is important to control the initial roughness going into the process.